Unlock the power of professional, legally sound agreements in minutes with Pandadoc's intuitive contract creation. Let's dive in. The first step is to initiate a new document from your Pandadoc dashboard. Locate and click on the Create New Document option. Pandadoc offers a robust library of pre-built templates to save time and ensure essential clauses are included. Select a contract template that best fits your needs. You can find these under the Templates section. Once your template is open, it's time to personalize. Click on Add Content. And then, Fields. This menu is your toolkit for adding crucial information, from text fields for names and dates to drop-downs for options. You can easily customize every aspect. Begin by inserting essential details. Click and drag the relevant fields onto your document where you want the information to appear. For example, drag a text field for the client's company name and a date field for the effective date of the agreement. Beyond standard fields, you can add custom phrases and entire clauses. Navigate to the Editor section or your content library. If you have saved snippets, click Add Clause to insert specific legal language, conditions, or bespoke terms unique to your agreement. Ensuring clarity is paramount, you can easily rearrange sections of your contract by dragging and dropping them to the desired order. Use headings and formatting options to break up text and make your agreement easy to read and understand. Once you've meticulously crafted your contract with all necessary details and custom clauses, it's time to prepare for sending. Review everything one last time to guarantee accuracy and clarity. Then, simply click the prominent Send button, choose your preferred delivery method, and finalize your professional agreement.